Lord. Welcome to 126 Tuttle Street in Patrick Square. Appreciate you waking me up. Let me give you a tour of this thing. This townhome is so close to the upper amenity area. And when I say close, walk with me real quick. See that white building right there? So cool, with the swimming pool. One of the coolest features about 126 Tuttle Street here in Patrick Square is this awesome finished garage. So for these game day weekends in Tiger Town, it don't get no better than this. Just imagine evenings out here, enjoying coffee or maybe even an adult beverage. 126 Tuttle Street's got 2 bedrooms, both of which are upstairs with 2 full bathrooms. Downstairs, got plenty of living space, kitchen space, and a half bathroom for your guests. Life in Patrick Square means front porch living and walkable Clemson charm with great restaurants, wine bars, and everyday conveniences right in your neighborhood.